Dear teachers, first of all, I bow my head to my teachers, parents, and mentors. And you all are working very hard. You all are dedicated, devoted teachers. I hope day by day your result is improving. We have to work hard from the primary section, as we know. If the foundation is strong, definitely the whole school will be strong. All the results of different sections will be excellent. So we have to work from the primary, from the nursery section. नींव मजबूत है तो बुलंद इमारत खड़ी होगी. Today we are meeting virtually, and this is very difficult time due to corona, and we are here with proud and determined to forward the legacy of great teachers. Dear teachers, we are meeting on the auspicious day, and on this day we have learned with the inspiration of Dr. Radhakrishnan, we have learned how to inspire ourselves, how to motivate ourselves, and we all know that in this difficult situation we are teaching online. You all are teaching online. You all are organizing activities. You all are organizing workshops. You are attending seminars and workshops to upgrade yourself, to connect with you, connect with students. And whatever we can do, we are doing for the welfare of the children. Whatever we can do, but the time is very, very difficult time. The parents are against the school system. The political situation is also against the school situation. And nobody is happy with school. They are criticizing, but still teachers are standing like a strong pillar. And what they are feeling their responsibility. They are doing their duties because they are know what is education. If big buildings are there, big infrastructure is there, but there is no teacher, nobody can do anything. If teacher is there, only teacher is there with limited resources, she can do tremendous. You all are nation builders. You all are giving shape to future generations. You are making future leaders of the country. You are doing a great job for this noble profession. For this great job, you must appreciate yourself. We all are in a noble profession. We know our responsibilities and we are enjoying our job. We are working hard with sincerity. So this is your legacy. We got this legacy from great teachers, tradition of great teachers. Though this is very difficult time, पर आप सब लोग एक स्ट्रॉन्ग सिपाही की तरह खड़े हैं जो शिक्षा की सीमा पर खड़े हैं. मैंने आपके लिए कुछ लाइनें लिखी हैं. हे शिक्षक, शिक्षा के मोर्चे पर खड़े तुम बहादुर सिपाही ही नहीं, तुम एक शिल्पी हो. अपने औजारों और हुनर से गढ़ते हो नई नित प्रतिमाएं. उन्हें देखकर मुस्कुराते हो, इठलाते हो. उनमें जीवन का हर रंग भरकर उन्हीं की उपलब्धियों से गर्वित होते हो. हे शिक्षक, तुम शिल्पी हो. अतीत के ठोस धरातल पर खड़े होकर तुम इन प्रतिमाओं का वर्तमान संवारते हो, भविष्य निखारते हो न जाने कितने इतिहास बनाते हो, इतिहास को बनाते बनाते स्वयं इतिहास के पन्नों में खो जाते हो। अपनी प्रतिमूर्तियों में रंग भरते भरते तुम्हें बेरंग नहीं होना, इतिहास के पन्नों में नहीं खोना। तुम शिल्पी हो, अतीत, वर्तमान और भविष्य के सृजक हो। शिक्षक, आज हम सवालों के घेरे में खड़े हैं। शिक्षक, आज हम सवालों के घेरे में खड़े हैं। नई चुनौतियां ललकार रही हैं। नहीं शिक्षक, तुम शिल्पी हो। शिक्षक, तुम शिल्पी हो। तुम्हें पुनः करना है सिद्ध। तुम ही हो वर्तमान के साधक, तुम ही हो भविष्य के दृष्टा, तुम ही हो भविष्य के सृष्टा, और तुम ही से है इतिहास। तुम ही हो इतिहास रचयिता। तुम ही देश हो, तुम ही से देश है। प्रिय शिक्षक, तुम शिल्पी हो। अपने को पहचानो, अपने को पहचानो, और आज अपने औजारों को धार देकर चुनौतियों को स्वीकार करो। बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं टीचर्स डे की आपको। आप खुश रहें, आप आबाद रहें, और जितने भी आपके मन में कोई मलाल है, कोई टेंशन है मैं जानती हूँ। I should not discuss those tension. I can feel those tension. You can also feel those. You will feel. You should appreciate yourself. If there is a bad situation today, tomorrow will be a good morning for you. You will see the bright morning also. अंधेरे के बाद सुबह होती है, तो सुबह होगी, और जितनी भी आज मुश्किलें हैं वो खत्म होंगी, और टीचर्स अपने पे गर्व करना सीखो. You should feel proud, because teachers, they think we are teachers, we are not good, getting good salary. People these days, people do not respect us, children do not respect us. The time is changing. We have to earn that respect. कैसे earn करना है? With your sincerity, with your hard work, with your teaching learning strategies. Just you have to earn that respect, and you have to prove yourself that you are the best member of the society. God bless you all. Happy Teachers Day. And happy means you all should be happy. Don't feel bad about yourself, about the present scenario of the society, political situation or financial situation. Just appreciate yourself that you are a teacher, you are in a noble profession, you are a nation builder, you are making future generations. कितना पोटेंशियल है तुम में, आज उसका एनालाइज करो. कोई कमी है उसका भी एनालाइज करो, और उस कमी को दूर करके आप फुल पोटेंशियल के साथ फिर आप बच्चों के साथ चलिए, जुड़ जाए. थैंक यू वेरी मच डियर टीचर्स. थैंक यू. टाइम इज ओवर. रुचि, टाइम ओवर?
No ma'am, है time, अभी है time, but it's
alarm बस.
नहीं,
आज इतना ही.
जी मैम. Thank you so much for all your motivational and inspirational words, ma'am. Teachers are definitely trying to work hard, and they will definitely work more harder and bring all the students and connect with all the students and bring them to the best of their abilities and their capacities also. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining with us, and it was a pleasure hearing you and such beautiful